Hi, Frank Cohen here. When your Shopify store takes longer than 3 seconds to load, 90% of your potential customers will abandon it. Plus, each one will talk to 15 of their friends. So let's solve that. You've put a lot of work into your Shopify store. You designed it, you added products, you choose the perfect theme. But even with all of that hard work, your store may not be converting as well as it could be. Let's say you already created your Shopify store and a new product page. And then you use Clever to create an ad campaign for that product. It's pretty simple to do, like ordering a meal on your phone. Feel me? Identify the product set the budget, and then tell it to launch. People in your favorite audiences on as much as 6 social ad networks will see your ad and will click on it. That one single click takes them directly to the product page on your store. And with that one simple click, if the fast loading experience for customers isn't critically important, well, research shows that 90% of the customers will abandon your online shopping experiences when your store's page load time exceeds 3 seconds. 70% of those potential customers will never return to your store. And just to add insult to injury, on average, each of those shoppers will discuss their negative experience with 15 of their friends on social media. Well, here are my top 4 ways to keep your product page load times below 3 seconds. First, reduce the image sizes. Instead of using images that are, say, 2800 by 1800 pixels, well, that's the default size for Photoshop and for Pixelmator. Use images instead that are 1024 by 768 pixels. Number 2, implement lazy loading. This is where the images load on their own after the page appears in the browser. I recommend using a utility like lazy sizes. Number 3, remove third-party apps from your store. Too many Shopify apps in your store can slow down your page load performance. Lastly, look into application performance acceleration tools like Zycadia or Nostra or Badu Networks. So try it, feel it, move with it. You're only going to make those page load times faster. And then when it comes time to advertising and creating customer demand for those products, try Clever. With Clever, you're up and running today, and you can see your first ad results tomorrow. Thank you.